In this video, we are going to solve the question, find the value of x in the equation 4 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x is equals to 6 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x plus 15 to the power of x. So on the left side, we have 4, 9 and 25 which are perfect squares. We can write 4 as 2 square, 9 as 3 square and 25 as 5 square. Also, we can write 6 as 2 multiplied by 3, 10 as 2 multiplied by 5 and 15 as 3 multiplied by 5. Now, this equation becomes 2 square to the power of x plus 3 square to the power of x plus 5 square to the power of x is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x plus 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of x plus 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of x. According to law of exponent, a to the power of m to the whole power n is equals to a to the power of n to the whole power m. Hence, we can write the above equation as 2 to the power of x to the whole square plus 3 to the power of x to the whole square plus 5 to the power of x to the whole square. Here we just flipped the values of m and n, which are 2 and x. This equals to, we can write 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x as 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x, because according to the law of exponent, a multiplied by b to the power of m is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. Plus, also we can write 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of x as 2 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x, plus 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of x can be written as 3 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x. Now, let's consider 2 to the power of x is equals to a, 3 to the power of x is equals to b, and 5 to the power of x is equals to c. Now this equation becomes a square plus b square plus c square is equals to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c plus b multiplied by c. Bringing all these values to left side gives a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac is equals to 0. Now, multiplying the whole equation by 2 gives us 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca or 2ac is equals to 0. Now we can write this equation as a square plus b square minus 2ab plus b square plus c square minus 2bc plus c square plus a square minus 2ca equals to 0. Because here we just split 2a square into a square plus a square and 2b square into b square plus b square and 2c square into c square plus c square. Now this is the formula for a minus b whole square, and this is the formula for b minus c whole square, and this is the formula for c minus a whole square. So this gives us a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is equals to 0. Since these are all perfect squares, these values cannot be negative. Hence, for the left side to be 0, each of these terms must be equals to 0 because these values cannot be negative. So this gives us a minus b whole square is equals to 0. This is possible only when a is equals to b. So this gives us, previously we have considered 2 to the power of x as a and 3 to the power of x as b. So 2 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of x, and this is possible only when x is equals to 0, because 2 to the power of 0 is equals to 1 and 3 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So x is equals to 0. Now for b minus c whole square is equals to 0 is possible when b is equals to c. So this gives us, previously we have considered b equals to 3 to the power of x and c equals to 5 to the power of x, and this is possible when x is equals to 0, because 3 to the power of 0 equals to 5 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Now c minus a whole square is equals to 0. Taking square root of both sides gives us c minus a square multiplied by 1 by 2 is equals to square root of 0 is 0. So this gives us c minus a equals to 0 because 2 and 2 will cancel out. So this gives us c is equals to a. And previously we have considered c as equals to 5 to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of x. And this is possible when x is equals to 0, because 5 to the power of 0 is equals to 2 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Hence, in all these three cases, we got x is equals to 0. Hence, the answer is x is equals to 0. We can also confirm the answer by putting x is equals to 0 into the original equation. For the left hand side, putting x is equals to 0 gives us 4 to the power of 0 plus 9 to the power of 0 plus 25 to the power of 0 is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 3. Now, for the right hand side, 6 to the power of 0 plus 10 to the power of 0 plus 15 to the power of 0 is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 3. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence, x is equals to 0 satisfies this equation. Hence, x is equals to 0 is the only answer.